I thought I'd go through differentiation from first principles because a lot of students struggle with it. So to start with in these questions, whatever you want to find the derivative of, you make that equal to f of x. This equation that I've written on the left, by the way, is given to you in an exam, so you don't need to memorize it. If that's equal to f of x, what will f of x plus h be? Well, it'd be what happened when you replace everything with x instead of x plus h. So you'll have x plus h, or even 5 lots of x plus h all squared. Remember, you only replace x with x plus h. Now when you expand this out, squaring any bracket, it just means multiplying the bracket by itself. So it's like doing x plus h, lots of x plus h. And just to speed up this video, I'll let you know that this becomes x squared plus 2xh plus h squared. Quite a few letters. After that, you can expand out the brackets. So we have 5x squared, 5 times 2xh is 10xh, and then 5 times h is 5h squared. Now that we know what f of x plus h is, we can take away from it f of x, which in the beginning we mentioned is 5x squared. What that will do is it'll cancel out the x squared terms, leaving you with just these two terms in the middle. So putting that into this equation here, which again is given to you in the exam, f of x plus h, take away f of x, we found is just these two terms here, 10xh plus 5h squared. And then that's all divided by h. What you can do here is separate this into two individual fractions of, let's do it here, 10xh over h plus 5h squared over h. Because what we know about fractions is when the denominator is the same and you add them together, it just joins the numerators together. From this step, you can cancel out the h's on this first term and also the h's on the second term. And you'll be left with 10x plus 5h. So let's replace all of this with 10x plus 5h. So I'm just going to do that here. Limit as h tends to 0 of 10x plus 5h. And then from here, the easy way to think about it is, if you do make h equal to 0, what happens to this whole expression? What does it become equal to? Well, 5 times 0 is 0, and making h equal 0 doesn't affect this first term at all, which is good. That's what we want. So we say that this tends toward just that term here, 10x, because as h tends towards 0, 5h, it also tends towards 0, leaving you with just 10x. So that's the answer here. Hopefully that made sense. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, please like the video if you enjoyed it, and I've linked my email in the description in case you have any tutoring inquiries.